Mentorchestra would like to present our Unleashing Your Personal Power, a mentorship and community experience. Our challenge and solution, we noticed that women face a lot of barriers getting into the tech environment. And so we felt that we had an opportunity to orchestrate a fun and engaging mentorship experience to help bridge that gap. So we have a platform that's going to connect women through a gamification kind of algorithm to make it fun. And we also believe in inclusion. So we don't want it to just be for women. We are gender neutral, and we'll be happy to explain the demo as we go through. So this is our team, wonderful ladies. And we did do some brainstorming and mind mapping for the different features. You can see some of the things will have developed, but other stuff is for version 2. This is the technology stack that we actually selected. I think most of it was basically people used what they felt comfortable with. And then we really got into wanting to learn a lot about AI. So there is several areas that we're using AI in the chat box, in the matching algorithm. It was actually just really fun learning more about that. Welcome to our mentorship program, where we connect people together through gamification based on specific interests and needs. We'll go over the registration and profile setup. Then we will go over to a gamification AI-powered matching system, which helps build out those learning communities and also helps match mentors and mentees. We'll show you a dashboard with different features where you can access your personal information, where we have a chat bot where if there isn't enough mentors available, where actually our chat bot is having some AI, you're having the AI chat mentor kind of work with you and answer some of your questions. We also are giving daily challenges to the people, because health and wellness is important. So I hope you enjoy our social good project and helping not just the individuals, but also incorporating projects into that in our next version, or version 2. Welcome to our mentorship.
Let's take a look at the matchmaking game our mentees play to match with mentors in our database. So they are first presented with a category. For example, here it's computer science, and then we progressively show them skills and interests that fall under this category. So while they make their dislike or like choices, different categories and the skills and interests under them are recommended based on our algorithm. We use NLP in the backend to do this similarity suggestions, and the user plays this game, and at the end they're presented with the top 3 mentor matches we have in our database. And again, we use NLP to find this appropriate match. So as you can see here, the preferences that I chose were computer science, web dev, curriculum development, teaching, stuff like that, and they are reflected here in the skills and interests that the mentors have and like. So this is the matching that we do, and we hope that this would give a better way for mentees to find mentors in our platform. Let's take a look at the matchmaking game our mentees.
So this is where our dashboard is, where you can see the different areas that we'll have currently working and stuff that's for version 2. We have our daily challenges that pop up and give more detail. Our progress is actually just an image at this point, but we want to be able to have your inbox and also have this is actually how you can actually look at your matches and connect or reject certain ones. The images, the content up here is just images at this point, but this is kind of the concept that we want to use.
Okay, I'm excited to present our AI-powered mentor bot. So let's say hello. Hello there. Oops, an error that happens sometimes. Hello. Okay, he seems a bit crazy today, but can you help me? Yeah, finally he or she wants to assist me. Cool. Let's say I want to learn Ruby on Rails. I want to learn Ruby. Let's see if it's helpful. Cool. Can you make me a type plan to learn Ruby on Rails? Let's wait a bit. Sometimes it goes really slow, but at least it works. We definitely will upgrade it in the version 2. Okay, here we go. You have the message about learning Ruby, and it gives you the steps to practice. Cool, that's nice. Can you make me a coffee? You're so kind. Seems not. Not today. Or are you okay? Still sending. Oh, I'm sorry. She can't give me a coffee. What a pity. But it still works for learning purpose and for mentoring purpose for sure. And we hope it can revolutionize the lives of mentees and mentors around the globe. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Okay, I'm excited to present.
Just to give a quick overview of the inside code for the chatbot, we are importing the OpenAI API as well as tick token to ensure the input does not go over ChatGPT's limit. We are giving our initial prompt here with system context. This is the function to count the tokens in the messages, and then it will systematically remove the first third of the chat messages if the messages were over the token limit. This is, of course, the function to generate the AI response. We're making sure our tokens are all good, and then we are calling the request to the API using the GPT-4 model as it is the most capable, and it is not only capable of instructions but chat as well. Then we have our error handling, getting the response, and this is just a test. So if we were to test this in the terminal, it would go something like this. The mentor gives a greeting. The user can say something like, "Hello, I was wondering where the best place to start learning JavaScript is." The OpenAI then responds, "There are several great resources to start learning JavaScript." You can say, "Thank you. How about for React?" Thanks. Just to give a quick overview of the inside code for the chatbot, we are importing the OpenAI API as well as tick token to ensure the input does not go over ChatGPT's limit. We are giving our initial prompt here with system context. This is the
So thank you for considering us for the hackathon. We actually really enjoyed working on the hackathon. I think only one of us has done one before. It was a great experience working together. Quick, actually, just having a week to do stuff was challenging, but we as a team, I think, worked really, really well and was there for everyone to get stuff done. And it was amazing being also able to pull in the platform that you had. At the end, we realized that I'm like, oh, it was data science that we needed. And so it was really cool to be able to go back into the community and find someone to help us with that matching algorithm and join our team. So really had a great time. And me as a scrum master, even a project manager, was able to experience that stuff. As you can see, we have our backlog for our V2 to continue on building out some of the features and that we wanted to do for it with our brainstorming, and our GitHub link for the source code. Thank you. Bye. So